Film is a SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now there's a couple things that we'll need. Number one will be an internet connection for the press done on the phone, and number two will be a computer with the downloaded Sony Companion program, so we can hard reset the device through our computer. So anyway, once you have both of those things accessible, we can begin. Now, before I do begin, I'm just going to point out right here, you can see that the device is locked. There's a lock in the corner right here. We have the verify account, and if I go back, try it again, it should tell me to also use a pattern. Oh no, never mind, there's no pattern, but it tells me to verify it anyway. And in here, on the Wi-Fi connection page, you do want to connect to some kind of network. I should be connected. There you, as you can see, I am connected right here. And once you have that ready, we're gonna back out to the starting page. We're gonna close the device and let's see. So we're gonna lock it, and I assume we need to press this. That is the camera button, so I wasn't pressing it hard enough. Okay, so as you can see, once you press this button, it launches the camera. Save location. So we're gonna select no right here. This opens up obviously the camera. You can obviously see it right here. So from here, we're gonna navigate into the settings, and then we're gonna scroll down to help right here. I'm gonna tap on the search icon, and in here write settings. Yeah, so once you click on the search button, we are now looking for a specific thing, which is multimedia messaging isn't working. There we go. It looks like it's not actually alphabetically arranged, so you will need to scroll through it. I found it by just randomly flicking through it, so there we go. So as you can see, multimedia messaging isn't working. Click on this, select accept and continue, and no thanks. And once you have this, we're gonna now apparently tap on any kind of word. As you can see, it gets selected, and you want to do a web search. Select agree here, and then in the search bar for Google, you want to type in HardReset.Info/bypass. There we go. As you can see, it comes up as suggested, at least it does for me. And from here, you want to select the first thing right over here. Consent, and we're going to scroll down to the last option, which is the screen lock set menu, and in here you want to select your screen lock. So I'll be sitting with choosing the pin. The previous I believe the previous way to unlock it was throughout the pattern, so I want to kind of change it up. So there we go. Gonna select pin, gonna make it 4 zeros. There we go, and now I'll confirm it. And once that's done, you will want to now move to your computer, where we will use the Sony Companion app 2 or Xperia Companion to basically reset the device. Now, the reason we want to do this is now that we have set up a pattern or pin in this case, once we do a reset of the device, it will use that pin that we have just chosen as a means to unlock the device, because it's still going to be locked, but now it will give us an option to basically unlock it using the pin which I have chosen, that is 0000. So anyway, I'm gonna now move to the computer side where I'll continue the video.